It is hot out here, man.
For science. For science. For science.
Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Big Mike with BZ Cooks. So in today's episode, guys, we're going to be cooking some chicken breasts using our Instant Pot. But before we get started, I need you to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when we post another video, okay? So let's talk about this chicken that we're making today in the Instant Pot. You are not going to believe how easy this is to make, guys. This is hands down the best Instant Pot chicken and potatoes recipe you will ever try. Now what's making this dish so good, guys, is that it's gonna be like juicy ranch seasoned chicken, not just normal chicken, all right? This is gonna be juicy ranch seasoned chicken breast and Parmesan potatoes. It only takes about 15 minutes to cook this in your pressure cooker. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Literally, you're gonna love this recipe. I hope that you try this out because you will not regret it. I promise you guys. So let's get started with this cook and get to these ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna go over our ingredients right now. Starting off with our ranch seasoning. We've got 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning right here. We've got a teaspoon of granulated garlic powder. We have a teaspoon of thyme. We got half a teaspoon of oregano, and we've got half a teaspoon of dry basil. All right, so this is going to be 4 chicken breasts, and we've got about 2 pounds of an assortment medley of these mini potatoes. You can buy these at the grocery store, or you can get the ones where it's just the red and the yellow ones. And we're gonna use 1 cup of chicken broth. All right. Now we're gonna make our mixture. This is what we're gonna season our chicken with. This is really gonna set this chicken off. So you're just gonna basically dump all of your ingredients into 1 container. Take your whisk and whisk all of that together, like so. Super easy, guys. Now we're gonna take our chicken and our potatoes. We're gonna take a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil, like so. And we just want to incorporate that in here. Now we're going to add a couple of pinches of salt. And some fresh black pepper. Mix that together. Then take your seasoning and sprinkle that over. And just make sure that you get all of your chicken and potatoes coated with this seasoning. Okay, so here we have our Instant Pot, guys. I've got 1 cup of chicken broth that we're gonna put in there. Now, what you wanna do is take your chicken and you're gonna lay it in there like so. Put all 4 pieces in there. They should fit in there pretty good. Okay. Now we're gonna take our potatoes, add them to the mix. After you're done with that, put your lid on, close it, and make sure this is on seal and not on vent. Okay? All right, on your Instant Pot, you want to hit the manual button, set it at 15 minutes, and it'll just start. Just wait for it. Hey guys, you might be saying to yourself, Big Mike, I don't have an Instant Pot. Oh, that's fine because you can use your crock pot. If you use your crock pot on low settings, you're gonna go for 4 to 6 hours, okay? And at the high settings, you're gonna go 2 to 3 hours, all right? So no Instant Pot, no problem. Your boys got your back. Use that crock pot and don't forget those settings. Don't cook it too long on high and don't cook it too short on low. All right, guys, get that crock pot out. All right, now that our chicken is done in our Instant Pot, the 15-minute timer is up. We're going to release the steam. All right, everybody, our steam has been released. We're gonna open our pot now and see what we're working with. Check it out. Boom! Look at that. Man. "15 minutes, guys. We are done. Potatoes are fork tender. Oh yeah, not too soft. So the potatoes aren't mushy, but they are nicely cooked, and you can basically take a fork and puncture them. So 15 minutes is all it takes, guys. Pressure cooker chicken, done. All right, so you guys see just how easy it is to make this dish. Let me let you get a good look at it. The color on those potatoes, I can just smell the ranch seasoning. I did sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on that too, on the top, and a little bit of the ranch seasoning on top as well, just for some added flavor. So guys, you know how we do over here. We're gonna put our taste buds to the test for science. So we're going to go in first on the chicken. Nice and tender. Got some great flavor in there. For showing these potatoes. The potatoes are nice and tender too. And the potatoes aren't like mushy soft. They're fork tender. So when you guys are done cooking this, if you want, you can sprinkle some more seasoning on it if you like. It's really up to you. You're gonna season it to your liking. So that's the end of the cook today, guys. I enjoyed myself. I sure hope you did. Give this recipe a try. Don't forget, if you like this content and you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to respond as quickly as I can. All right, guys, so that's the end of our cook today, guys. This is Big Mike with BZ Cooks, signing out. Until the next video, we'll see you soon. Peace.